Hi, my name is Jan Philipp, I'm from the MUNSCH team, and in this video I would like to show you how to calibrate all of our MAX extruders. So from time to time it might be necessary to calibrate the temperatures in the extruder, for example if the outside conditions have changed or if you have maybe changed the heating element to make sure that the temperatures are matching. So if we jump onto the screen of the extruder, you can see that it is heated up. You can see that we have 230 degrees material and 280 degrees air temperature on the screen. So in order to calibrate it now, I will show you the air calibration. Take an external thermometer like this here and measure the temperature. And you can see now here that it's at 270 degrees, maybe a little bit lower compared to the 280 on the screen. So of course we want to match these two temperatures back together. So we go into the extruder screen, jump into the menu, and there now we use those two icons on the bottom right. You can see here with the little delta. The left one is for the material calibration, the right one is for the air calibration. So we choose the air calibration now. The extruder will ask you for a password, and the password for calibration is 8980. Yeah? So we will take it and type this code now, 8980. Now you will see that this 0 here is adjustable, so we can now either go lower with the temperature or even higher. So in our case we want to raise it by 10 degrees because it's colder than it is. So I will put here 10 degrees. And now you can see on the thermometer that the temperature is rising. Give it a couple of seconds so that the heating element can heat up the air. You can see that we are now at 275, still climbing. Sometimes you need to give him like 1 or 2 times to really reach the temperature. So in this case, I'm going to go into the calibration again, 8980, and I will give him another maybe 5 or 6 degrees to get now to the 280 degrees. You can see here that it's now climbing even further, and you do this just until you have reached the temperature that you want to have. So this is the function of the air calibration. The mass calibration works quite similar. You also take an external thermometer and you measure here while you're extrudating. It's very important that you measure with the thermometer at the tip of the nozzle, not the tip of the welding shoe. So really inside of the welding shoe at the tip of the nozzle where the extrudate is coming out. And then the function is the same. You go into the material calibration and turn it hotter or colder. And now you can see on the thermometer that the temperature now is right in the spot, 280, where we want to have it. This was the calibration function of the extruders. If you have questions or want to know more about it, always free to contact us, and thank you.